make so much money from this platform. So all you need to do is just to click on the link in the description of this video. It will take you to this place, put your email and get registered. So once you get registered, I'm going to lead you on how you can start making money from this platform. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video so you're not going to miss any step. I'm going to log in now since I already have an account in this place. So once you get registered, it will show you this. So all you need to do is just to read this. If you see this, you can see that this is powerful and stable system, the world best investment platform. So what you need to do here now is deposit network is TRX20 USDT. So you see the name of this platform is Bear, and you have Bear MVP1 to Bear MVP10. You can see it here. So in Bear MVP1, you need 14 USDT to unlock Bear MVP1, and you'll be withdrawing 2 USDT every day and 60 USDT per month. And Bear MVP2, you need 70 USDT to unlock it. 10 USDT, you'll be making 10 USDT every day and 300 USDT per month. And then Bear MVP3, you need 210 USDT to unlock it and 30 USDT per day, 900 USDT per month. So Bear MVP4, you need 490 USDT to unlock it, 70 USDT you'll be making a day and 2100 USDT per month. So this is a huge money. As you can see that if you use 14 USDT to unlock Bear MVP1, you'll be making 2 USDT every day and 60 USDT per month. This is a huge amount of money that you can make from this platform. So once you are done, you can just click on enable. So if you come down here, you see a certificate given to this company by the German government showing that this is a trusted and the best platform where you can invest your money and all your funds are all trusted in this platform. So you can just click on online. Let me show you the other ways you can make money from this platform. So once you come here, just click on cancel. So once you get registered, the first thing you need to do is, if you come down here, apart from this, you can also make money from inviting your friends. So if you want to invite your friend, just come down to this team. So you see different levels of earnings. That the first level referral is 10%, second level is 3%, and third level is 2%. So the first person you refer in this platform, you are going to make 10% from every of his deposits. So all you need to do here is to copy your referral link and share to your friends. As your friends join, you are going to earn a referral commission from all their earnings, all their deposits in this platform. So all you need to do now is just come to me here, down here. If you come to me, you are going to see that I have no fund now in my wallet. So what I'm going to do now is to deposit into my wallet. So how you can unlock any of the tasks is to come to task here. So you see there is no tax in progress and there's no tax completed for this. So what I need to do now is to deposit to my wallet first. So if you come here, you're going to see recharge and you see withdrawal. If you need the app, you can just click on this place to download the app. This is the company profile. So I'm going to recharge my wallet now. This is VIP. Come to VIP here. So when you come to VIP, you're going to see different levels. You see that I've not unlocked any of the levels, so I want to unlock this first level here. So what I'm going to do here is to click on this unlock and click on confirm. Then it's going to take me to this place. So what I want to do now is to copy this wallet address now and send USDT 20 to this wallet address. So I'm going to send 14 USDT to this wallet address. So read this. You see, please do not recharge other than 20 wallet address access to this wallet. And your fund will arrive in your account for about 1 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to send my money now to this wallet address. So I'm going to copy it now and go to my exchange and recharge it. So now I've deposited 14 USDT in my wallet now. So what I'm going to do now is to come down here to VIP. Since I've unlocked VIP1, I'll come to VIP, this VIP here. So when you come to VIP here, you see unlock effective. So I'm going to perform a task now by coming to this place and perform a task. So as I come here now, before there is no tax to perform, but since I have deposited in my wallet, I cannot perform a tax. So I will click on this place now to complete the tax, and it's going to load. You see, completed successful. So I'm also going to click on this one now and allow it to load also. You see, task completed successfully. So if I come to me now, in this place now, you see that I already have total balance 2 USDT, which I just made now, and I'm going to withdraw this 2 USDT now. So if I want to withdraw this now, just click on withdraw here. So when I click on withdraw, and it will take me to this place. So you see the money I'm going to withdraw now. So what I need to do now is to copy my USDT 20 wallet and paste in this place, and then put the amount which I want to withdraw. So I'll go to my exchange and copy my USDT wallet address. Deposit. What I want to copy is USDT wallet address. So I'll select USDT wallet address, which is this. So remember, what you're going to select is TRC20 wallet. So this is Tron TRC20. So I'm going to select this now and copy my wallet address. So as I copy it now, I'll go back to that platform. So when I come here, I'm going to paste my wallet address in this place and then put the amount I want to withdraw here, which is 2 USDT. So I'll put 2 here. So put my password in this place. So once I put my password, I'm going to confirm my withdrawal. Click on confirm here. You see withdrawal successful. So I'm go back to my exchange now to know if I have received this money now in my wallet. So if I come here now, you see this is what I have before. So I'm going to refresh to know if this money will enter now. So I'm going to refresh now. All right, you see the money has entered now. Now I have 2.98 USDT. So look at it here. It has entered. I've received the 2 USDT now in my wallet. So that's how you can withdraw your money from this platform now. So you can rush in and start making your money from this platform. But guys, don't forget to do your own research. Everything about make money online are all risky. You need to do your own research and do with your money whatever you wish. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification button so as each time I upload some videos like this, YouTube